Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Crypto Time. Now, I'm going to take this very first episode, this very first installment, and I'm going to explain to you guys exactly what this show is going to be about, how it's going to be run, and what you guys can expect from it. Now, right now, as I'm recording this, I'm actually a little sick, so that's why my voice sounds a bit weird, but I'm trying to set up this room in a way where the audio is going to be the best, the lighting is going to be the best, and the quality is going to be the best. Right now, I don't think I have it perfect yet, but there's a couple of things I'm going to be switching around throughout these first couple episodes where you guys can give me feedback and let me know what you think about these episodes, what you think about the sound, lighting, etc. So, what this show is going to be about. Now, this is basically a news show. I mean, we're going to be going over the news of cryptocurrency, maybe investment strategies. I'm not the most skilled investor for sure. There's definitely other YouTubers or people who make videos who are smarter than I am and probably been investing longer than I am. But most of what this show is going to be about is I'm going to be breaking news stories. I'm breaking the price of Bitcoin all the time, the prices of certain altcoins that might be going up that maybe you guys don't know about. We're going to be doing news stories that I have written down over there. We're going to be doing community drama, which I think is going to be a really big pull-in for anybody who is in the crypto community. Because time and time again, we see it where these ICOs or these companies come in and they hire these different YouTubers to advertise for them. And although it's not really the YouTubers' fault that these companies run away with their money, it's not cool that they're advertising for these companies that they know are shady, that they don't have a lot of background on, and they kind of just run away with that person's community's investments. And I feel like those stories need to be reported on. People need to know about them. And we actually have one for today's episode. So that's cool. I'm excited to get into these episodes, guys. That's what it's basically going to be. There's going to be 4 segments every episode, sometimes 5, maybe 6 if we have a really crazy day. But they're going to be episodes a few times a week. I'm not sure what days I want to do yet. I'm going to have some kind of schedule out soon, so just be ready for that. Let's get into our first segment, which is Bitcoin's price today. Now today's a rough day, okay? Today's a rough day for anybody holding Bitcoin, which is probably most of us. And the price as I'm making this video is $6,428. It's down 5.57% from yesterday. And the market cap actually fell below 200 billion today, which is not cool. I think it's going to go back past it today. At least it should from what it looks like. But yeah, today's a rough day for Bitcoin. We knew a correction was coming. I mean, it couldn't sustain. What did it get to? 7.6. I think it got to 7.7 at one point. So we all knew that it could not sustain that. I personally think it's probably going to drop further. It might get to 5.5. Probably around 6K is where it's going to stay. Like I said, we knew something like this was coming. It's okay. It's healthy for the market. I do think it'll bounce back up. Maybe before January, probably after the holiday season, all that. But yeah, so Bitcoin's down today. That's all right. Things happen. I've been getting dirty money, Jordan Belfort. Stacking penny stocks. Now this segment is called altcoin to watch for, and basically what this is I'm going to pick an altcoin that I see is doing well, and then I think maybe you guys, if you're holding it, you should sell, or maybe if I think it's going to keep going up, you should buy in. This isn't professional advice. I'm just going to pick altcoins that I see doing well, or maybe that I hear some news about. And if you guys want to invest in them, feel free. If you don't, there's no big deal. But today's altcoin to watch for is actually Monero. And I'm not sure how many of you guys know about Monero, but it's been around for quite a long time. It did go past 100 for a while. It went back under to 90 to 80 for a little bit. And now it's actually back to 123. So if you're holding Monero, maybe now is the time to sell. I don't know how much farther it can go past 123. It's actually up 14% today. So if you guys want to sell that, if you're holding it, now would probably be a good time. Investing in it now probably isn't the best idea, but a good time to invest probably when it's at 90 or 80. But I can see this coin kind of fluctuating around 120, maybe gets to 130, possibly 140. But I think this is probably the best time to sell right now. Now this is our news segment, and this is probably the segment that most people are going to come here for, where I'm going to talk about breaking stories in the crypto community, or maybe a breaking story in Bitcoin technology, or the blockchain technology, or whatever it is. There's going to be a different news segment every day that I'm going to talk about. Maybe one day it'll be about investing, maybe one day it'll just be about updates. It's going to fluctuate every day. So today's story is actually about Bitcoin Cash and how Bitcoin Cash is soaring right now. Right now it is at 1.2K as I'm making this video. I believe it got to 1.3K yesterday. But the weird thing about this is that the volume has gone up so much. In the last 24 hours, the volume has gone up 5.8 billion. Now let's see what Bitcoin's volume. Bitcoin's volume has gone up 5.5 billion. So Bitcoin's Cash's volume is going up faster than Bitcoin's, which is insane because Bitcoin is king. Like, there shouldn't be another coin traded with more volume in 24 hours than Bitcoin, and especially not Bitcoin Cash. But I believe that I've heard that Asia, I guess, is investing a lot in Bitcoin Cash, which makes sense because the volume has just gone up so crazily. But again, Bitcoin Cash up 50%. If you're holding Bitcoin Cash, I would definitely say sell. I'm pretty sure most people that got Bitcoin Cash just sold right away and didn't hold it because not many people really believe in it, which I understand. But I mean, man, if you held it, you made a lot of money.
You're too dramatic.
And for this last segment is community drama, and this is going to be like the juicy stories and, you know, scandals, scams, all that kind of stuff. And today's drama is Bitpetite. Now I know I'm a little late on this, but I was following Bitpetite. I didn't invest in it. I had a feeling that it was just the website. To me, I can always usually tell if a ICO or one of these HYIPs are legit because the website. On the website, you can tell a lot of things from the website. You can tell if it's well made. You can tell that they are actually investing into the website. They're actually investing into their own company. And if it looks like shit, like I'm not saying Bitpetite looked like shit, but it didn't look enticing to me. Like it didn't look appetizing, and I just didn't believe in it. And I knew something like this was going to happen. I knew it was going to be a Ponzi scam, and it turns out it was. I mean, they have completely left. Like their last tweet was November 3rd, asking if we're looking for something similar to Bitpetite to try out ETH Connect. Like, so they're gone. They're gone. They took all the money and they're gone. And there were a couple YouTubers who I watched who advertised this, and it's like, I get upset when these YouTubers advertise all these different companies. Like there are YouTubers who advertise like 5 different companies in a week, which is insane. And it's like all 5 of those are not staying up. Like one of those is going to be a Ponzi scam. And it's like, I don't know. It annoys me that these YouTubers have these people who will invest tens of thousands of dollars worth of crypto into these ICOs or into these HYPs, and they just leave with it. And then the YouTubers, you know, the YouTubers still got paid. YouTubers still did more referral money, but it's the investors, it's the subscribers, it's the viewers who pay the price. So Bitpetite, this was another scandal. They took the investments and they just ran. So I'm sorry to anybody who invested in Bitpetite. Like I said, a good way to tell if these companies are going to have any longevity to them at all is check out the website. I mean, look if it's well made. If it just looks like it was thrown together with a template, obviously it's probably not going to stick around. I mean, there are exceptions to that rule, but most of the time you can tell just about everything you need to know from the website itself. Sorry guys, my camera died there, but that's going to be it about Bitpetite. Unfortunately, another scam. I mean, you kind of have to go into these knowing that something's going to happen, but just hoping that it doesn't. And it's shitty that it's like that, but that's unfortunately just the way it is right now. But that's going to do it for this episode, guys. I apologize for my voice. It's usually not like this. And usually in these episodes, I'm going to be more high energy. I'm going to be more enthusiastic and really try to get you guys involved in the episodes. I feel like right now the crypto scene kind of needs something like this, some kind of entertainment show. I'm not going to give you probably the best advice for investments. I'm probably not going to give you the most knowledge, but I am going to try to break stories to you guys. I am going to try to get you guys involved more in the crypto community. If, you know, maybe you're just invested into Bitcoin, maybe my show can help you get into certain altcoins. Maybe my show can help you invest in certain companies, or maybe you just come here for the entertainment. Maybe you want to know more about what's going on with drama or with different YouTubers or whatever. So like I said in the beginning, there are definitely people who are more knowledgeable than I am, but hopefully I can just bring you guys a different feel, a different aspect in the crypto scene. But in terms of the entertainment aspect, I think that's where I can come in and add something new to the scene. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this first episode. Again, I'm really sorry for my voice. I know it doesn't sound very pleasing right now. And trust me, it's been hard to talk. So I'm going to wrap this one up, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Until then, guys, see you.